Hello and welcome. I did a video recently on technical analysis on the dash chart on the daily time frame, and I got an interesting comment regarding how it's basically a scam in that in the first day a shitload of coins were mined compared to the entire cap, 1.5 million, which was originally set at 80 down to 20, which is problematic in itself. And it was formerly known as Xcoin Dark Coin, today known as Dash, which is short for digital cash. And I'll put a link to this in the more information box, but it does sound a lot like what I would consider to be a large pump and dump scheme. I'm going up just a random uptrend chart. And what a pump and dump scheme is designed in a case like this is if you mine that large of a supply, like 7%, onto the market at these early stages, and then use some of it for advertising. And the article will even talk about how they got that set up within their system to do such so that it was paid for. You ride the market up, and then at one point when you're ready to go to the next stage is ka-ching. Let's crash this market down so much. And how they would do that is, okay, so say this is where they wanted to crash it. Let's sell this baby down fast. And they just sell a decent percentage of what they have originally. And that's going to crash the market. Maybe something like that. Oh, it'll bounce up a bit. They're not going to sell it all at once because they want to make it look realistic. And okay, so it's going to move up and down. And they're going to profit on this move as well. And then you're going to see something like that again because they decided here, okay, let's dump a lot of it out. And during this time frame when they were doing their original accumulation at nothing and selling it at an average cost somewhere in here, well, that works out to be tremendous profits on their end. And then this thing will go back to where it started, which was the abyss. So that is definitely a warning to consider. Now, some questions would remain is, where is up too much? Or when would that plan be? It probably wouldn't be anytime soon. It doesn't seem as if many people would be aware of this. I have seen a few sources, and if I don't think it's leaked false information, but maybe we're here, and I'm saying as if this is in, I still think it's a day tradable, a playable play to try to plug in a gain, whether you're going for a 50%, a 5%, or even a 400% gain. But be aware of the risks and make sure that if something like this is to occur, that it's not going to greatly hurt you or even hurt you much at all. And one strategy for that is if you can lock up early enough profits, is if you're only risking within your profits, then you really can't get hurt much at all at that stage. Where if say we're here and you're all the way up here, say at this point or this point, okay, I've got, say, 50 units in profit. I'm just now going to risk 35 of those. And now the worst I'm going to do is make 15 units in profit. So those are the types of strategies you want to be involved to be within this, because if they do a major crash on something like this, there will be a lot of people that are going to lose a decent amount of equity within such. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. And if you are in a large investment in such, or you're planning to do such, please do a lot more research. I've done enough myself to consider how to play this on a day trading level only, and that's where I'm going to keep it at. Take care.